Very good morning, students. This class we are going to know about find the coordinates of the point which divides the join of minus 1 comma 7 and 4 comma minus 3 in the ratio of 2:3. So here we are going to using section formula. Before starting the formula, I want to write x1 y1 value. We know very well the first point is minus 1 comma 7, so x1 is minus 1, y1 is 7. The second point is 4 comma minus 3, so x2 is 4, y2 is minus 3. And the ratio 2:3. Therefore, we write m1 and m2. So here only we have some doubts. What is m1, m2? The ratios is first ratio is m1, second ratio is m2. So 2:3. Now write the section formula. They are asking coordinates. It means point. So I write p of x comma y is equal to, write a formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 dividing by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 dividing by m1 plus m2. So just substitute m1 x2 m2 x1 values, all the values in this formula. So m1 value is 2, x2 is 4 and m2 is 3, x1 is minus 1. Likewise m1 is 2, y2 is minus 3 and m2 is 3, y1 is 7. Just substitute here the answers, 8 minus 3 by 5 and minus 6 plus 21 by 5. That is 5 by 5, comma 15 by 5. If you simplify, the answer is 1, comma 3. Therefore, the point is 1, comma 3. Now the second question, find the ratio in which the line segments joining the points minus 3, comma 10 and 6, comma minus 8 is divided by minus 1, comma 6. So here listen students, they are asking ratio. It means they are asking m1 value and m2 value. So first of all, I want to write given values. The points they given, that is minus 3, comma 10 and 6, comma minus 8 is the given line segment. So I write x1 y1 and x2 y2, and the next one minus 1, comma 6 is represent the given points. So p of minus 1, comma 6. Okay, so the first point is x1 y1, the second point is x2 y2, and that minus 1, comma 6 is called point p of x comma y. Okay, they are asking the ratio, that is m1 and m2 value they are asking to find. Okay, now write the section formula. P of x comma y is equal to, write the formula m1 x2 plus m2 x1 dividing by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 dividing by m1 plus m2. So this is the formula already we know. The first sum they ask you to find the points, but here they ask you to find the ratio. Okay, so nothing but just substitute the value p of x comma y, that is minus 1, comma 6 is equal to m1 value we don't know, so just m1 value. The x2 value is 6, substitute x2 value is 6 plus m2 don't know, but x1 value is minus 3 by m1 plus m2. Like the same as for m1 y2, you have to substitute. But now I won't take any one value, that's x value or y value. See, this right hand side is minus 1, comma 6, the left hand side is the equation. So I take x value minus 1 is equal to the first number 6m1 minus 3m2 dividing by m1 plus m2. If you want to take second number, you want to take y value. Okay, not only like this. So first I take x value and the first one m1 6. Okay, that value I will take. So minus 1 is equal to, multiply here 6 into m1 6m1 minus 3 into m2 minus 3m2 dividing by m1 plus m2. Now here the division comes side multiplication. So 6m1 minus 3m2 is equal to minus m1 minus m2. Okay, so now we have to change m1 in one side and m2 is another one side. So 6m1, this minus m1 comes side plus m1 is equal to this minus 3m2 comes side plus 3m2 minus 1m2. So what do we have? 7m1 is equal to 2m2. So next step, I have 7m1 is equal to 2m2. If we divide, we have 7m1 by m2 is equal to 2, because this is a multiply comes side division. The same thing, I need m1 by m2 value. So m1 by m2 is equal to 2 by 7. Now the 7 is in numerator, it comes this side denominator. So what we have, m1 by m2 is equal to 2 is 7. That means we have m1 value is 2 and m2 value is 7. Thank you.